What do you do when the battle chooses you? What do you do when something shows up on your doorstep? Unexpected, uninvited. Something you didn't ask for, didn't anticipate, and definitely didn't cause. Life isn't always easy. In fact, some of you listening right now are walking through the toughest season of your life. You're in a storm, you're in a struggle, you're in a fight you never saw coming. And yet, here you are. There will be seasons of suffering, seasons of pain so raw it's hard to breathe. But the real question is, how will you respond? Life is hard. Easy is not an option, but life is also worth fighting for. It's worth believing in yourself again. It's worth giving your dream a chance. It's worth digging deep, mustering every ounce of strength left, and standing up inside yourself when no one else believes in you. You've got to fight relentlessly, with everything in you. Never give up, because you can do this. You can overcome. You can win. We all face problems that drain us: stress, worry, fear, anxiety, and maybe today, you're in the middle of the fight of your life. But let me encourage you, it's not about what's happening around you, it's about what's happening inside you. Just because you feel afraid doesn't mean you have to be afraid. Just because you feel discouraged doesn't mean discouragement has to define you. Just because fear knocks doesn't mean you have to answer the door. Listen, what you speak becomes your reality. The words out of your mouth are powerful. I can't make it. I quit. We're getting a divorce. This business is done. I've failed too many times. No one can help me. I've made too many mistakes. Watch what you're saying, because every negative word is a death sentence. And as you continue to confess those things, as you continue to declare defeat, don't be surprised when they become your truth. That's why even in your darkest moments, you must fight the death sentence with a life sentence. You may feel broken, but declare healing. You may feel exhausted, but speak energy. You may feel lost, but proclaim direction. You may feel abandoned, but remind yourself, I am still here. When the thoughts of quitting come, when the pain seems too much, when the nights are long and the answers are few, speak life. Say it. I will keep showing up. I will get back up. I will fight another day. The righteous fall 7 times, but they get back up. So get back up. Don't let skill alone define your limits. Don't rely on talent or connections or convenience. You need grit, resilience, mental toughness, because pain is not permanent. Say it again. My pain is not permanent. You've survived worse before. This isn't your first battle. This isn't your first tear, your first heartbreak, your first setback. And guess what? You're still standing. This too shall pass. You will live to tell the story. You will come out stronger. There's a blessing buried inside every burden if you don't quit. So don't quit. Get up, get dressed. Get out and do what you were called to do. Be who you were destined to be, and prove to every doubter, every hater, every circumstance that tried to break you, you will not be broken. Just keep coming back. Even if you have nothing left to give, show up anyway. Sometimes the hustle is just about showing up. And hear me, don't give up. Don't give in. Get through it. Fight through it. Cry through it if you must. Crawl if you have to. Because on the other side of that pain is a reward. Pain is not permanent. Pain is temporary. And purpose, your purpose, is forever. Call to action. If this message stirred something in you, if it reminded you of your worth, your power, your purpose, don't keep it to yourself. Like, comment, share this with someone who needs a word of strength today. And most importantly, subscribe to Dreamframe Empowerment, where we speak life into your spirit, power into your purpose, and courage into your calling. Your breakthrough is one mindset shift away. Keep showing up. Keep building. Keep believing. Because your battle may have chosen you, but you were built to win.